friends, welcome to Quick Knowledge. Hello friends, welcome to Quick Knowledge. Today I will explain about what our Indian citizens' role in to defeat China in various markets. I will also explain about the movement boycott Chinese products and apps. So let's get started.
Before getting started, please subscribe Quick Knowledge channel and press the bell icon beside it so that you will get latest notifications and updates of this channel.
You may be knowing in the latest news that China has created a very big issue in the Indo-China borders in Ladakh. Our military, soldiers and government is trying their best to cool down this situation. So what we Indian citizens can do in home to fight the Chinese? You know that China is playing many dirty tricks to defeat India from many times, like 1962 Indo-China war and many things. From this situation only, the idea of boycott Chinese apps and products rose. It was said by Sonam Wangchuk, an Indian scientist in Ladakh. You may be not knowing Sonam Wangchuk, but he was the man who inspired Three Idiots movie, the role played by Amir Khan in the movie. We will discuss about the main intention behind boycott Chinese movement. You know that China has been creating many Chinese products which are in a huge demand in India. But we also ban made in China products, but in very few markets. We have been buying a lot of China products where China is generating a huge money from India. So the same money what China is generating from India, it is using to buy weapons and upgrade its defense system that it will attack on us. The same goes with the popular Chinese apps. You know that TikTok is a very popular app which is being most popular in these lockdown times. So I will not say that TikTok is a bad app, but TikTok is also a Chinese app which is generating profit from India and using it as a weapon to India. Many Chinese apps are there like ShareIt, Vigo Video, Viva Video, AppLock, PUBG and many more. I will share the Chinese apps list in the description. So these Chinese products and apps generate a huge amount for China, which this amount China is using to buy weapons and upgrade the defense system. So this defense system is attacking India. So you can say that India is feeding its enemy to attack on it. So my request is that if you bought a Chinese product before, don't feel guilty, but stop buying them from now. And you can do a very small help. Uninstall all Chinese apps so that China will also learn a lesson. As a responsible citizen of India, you shall participate in this boycott Chinese movement. China has been playing very bad tricks on India. Can't we play one bad trick on it? This is neither a bad trick, it's just a movement of India. So I will request you, as said before, uninstall all Chinese apps and stop buying Chinese products from now. Do you know that there are many hard-working Indian industries and companies that are working hard to bring up India on the top list, but we citizens are encouraging foreign companies. I am not saying that we should not encourage foreign companies, but the first priority should be India. So from now also try to encourage Make in India and Indian companies and industries. Now you may find difficult that what shall we use in the place of these popular Chinese apps. So I will tell you alternatives for these apps. First, for the alternative of TikTok, there are two apps that are ShareChat and Mitron. Next, for Zoom, it is Say Namaste, which is an Indian video conferencing app. Next, for ShareIt, there is an app called GeoSwitch. Next, for UC browser, there is an app called GeoBrowser. For Zender, which is a sharing app, there is an app called FilesGo. For Cam Scanner, it is Office Lens. So I hope that you may use these alternative apps instead of the apps. I also hope that you participate in this boycott Chinese movement and encourage our Indian workers. Thank you.